everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Eastern Bank account on your desktop. If you'd like to log into your Eastern Bank account so that you can get access to your online banking account right from your mobile devices or your computer from anywhere at any time, then keep watching the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.easternbank.com. Press the enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the main homepage of Eastern Bank, which looks like this. Go to the login button at the top right hand with the little drop down in it, and this will open up an expanded pop-up menu. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet for Eastern Bank, click on the enroll link beneath the sign in button and follow the on-screen prompts to register. If you already have an account, you'll need to choose whether you'd like to log into your personal account or your business account by selecting the tabs at the top and type in your username in the text box. Since I've chosen the personal tab, let me type in my username in the text field. After you're done typing in the correct information, click on the sign in button. On the next page, you'll be able to see a password text box appearing. Type in your password correct in the text field. If you'd like the system to remember your username and password so that the next time you won't have to type it in again and again, check this box right here where it says save username. But remember to leave it unchecked before logging into your account if you're using a public computer or a shared mobile device. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on these links over here that says forgot username for your username or forgot password link. In order to reset to a new password, simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for either of them. Finally, after typing in all of your information and you're ready to log in, click on the sign in button, and that way you'll be logged into your Eastern Bank account right away from your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.